What if Claude Code could fan out your work to hundreds of agents simultaneously? Here are 15 features most developers don't know about. 15 hidden features in Claude Code straight from Boris Cherny, the creator himself. Let's dive in. Did you know Claude Code has a full mobile app? You can review changes, approve PRs, and even write code right from your phone. With Teleport, you can move a session from your terminal to your phone, or use remote control to drive your laptop from anywhere. Loop and Schedule let you automate Claude. Set it to babysit your PRs every 5 minutes, or sweep for missed review comments automatically. Hooks give you deterministic control. Load context on startup, log every command, or even route permission requests to WhatsApp. Dispatch is your secure remote control. It catches up on Slack, manages files, and uses your MCPs while you're away from your laptop. Those were just the basics. The next 5 will level up your entire dev Claude workflow. Actually see your UI. It captures screenshots, verifies layouts, and iterates until things look perfect. The desktop app can auto-start your dev server and test it in a built-in browser. No more switching back and forth. Fork your session with /branch. Explore a different approach without losing your original conversation. Resume it anytime. Need a quick answer mid-task? /BTW lets you ask a side question without interrupting what Claude is working on. Git Worktrees are built right in. Start a session with Claude-W and run dozens of Claudes in parallel in the same repo. And now, 5 power user features that will blow your mind. /batch is wild. Tell it what you need, and it fans out work to dozens or even hundreds of Worktree agents automatically. The bare flag skips loading Claude.md settings and MCP servers. For scripting and SDK usage, it's up to 10 times faster. Working across repos? Use add-dir to give Claude access to additional folders with full read and write permissions. Define custom agents with restricted tools and specific models. Perfect for read-only reviewers or domain-specific experts. And finally, /voice. Hold spacebar to speak, and Claude transcribes and acts on it. Boris does most of his coding this way. Those were 15 hidden features in Claude Code. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more dev tips. See you next time.